Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have accidentally deleted your Snapchat account or if you are wondering if there's any way to get it back, you have come to the right place. Today, I am going to show you how to recover a deleted Snapchat account both before and after 30 days. Let's dive right in. So let's start with the easier option, recovering your account before 30 days. Snapchat gives you a 30-day window to reactivate your account after deletion. So if it's been less than 30 days, recovery is straightforward. Here's how. Launch the Snapchat app or go to the Snapchat website on your computer. Enter your username and password that were linked to the account you deleted. You should see a message that says your account is deactivated. Would you like to reactivate it? Simply click on yes to restore your account. After a few minutes, Snapchat will reactivate your account and all your data like friends, chats, and streaks should still be there. Keep in mind, this process only works if it's within 30-day period from when you deleted your account. After 30 days, your account and all associated data will be permanently erased. Now, if it's been more than 30 days, the process is a little trickier. Snapchat's policy is that after 30 days, deleted accounts and the data are permanently deleted from the system. So unfortunately, you can't recover an account after that time frame. But don't worry, you can reach out to Snapchat support to ask if there's anything they can do. However, there's no guarantee they can help you recover a deleted account after 30 days, as the data is generally removed permanently. You can try your luck by contacting the Snapchat support team following these steps. Open a browser and go to the Snapchat support page. On the support page, scroll down and click Contact Us. Now, navigate to I can't access my account and then I think my account was compromised. Next, click on Click here to contact our support team. Now, enter your username, email address, mobile number, and description. In the description section, explain that you deleted your account and ask if recovery is possible, even though it's been more than 30 days. Once you have filled out the form, click Submit. Snapchat support will respond via email. Remember, there is no guarantee they can recover the account after 30 days, but it's worth reaching out. If your account is permanently gone, your only option is to create a new Snapchat account. Just sign up with a new email address and username. And that's it. If it's been less than 30 days, you can easily recover your Snapchat account by logging back in and reactivating it. But if it's been more than 30 days, unfortunately, your account is gone for good, and you will need to start fresh with a new account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments if you have had any issues recovering your Snapchat account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.